Good Monday, everyone. Taking a look at our weather map for today, we see scattered showers and thunderstorms across a big portion of the eastern half of the U.S. Not everyone will see these, but it's just kind of that heat of the day, pop-up shower and thunderstorm chances. The flash flood risk is greatest up around northern New England, stretching across the U.S.-Canadian border of New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine. And then another area of flash flood concern stretching across portions of southern Illinois, and then yet another area of concern on the Colorado-New Mexico border. The rest of us, we should just see some scattered showers and thunderstorms, and I'll talk about more in our neck of the woods right now. Looking at our 5-day outlook, we have only a 30% chance for a scattered shower or thunderstorm this afternoon and evening. That is a reduced rain chance from what I had yesterday. It looks like a little bit drier air is kind of worked into our atmosphere above. You're not going to feel that dry air down here at the surface. Don't get excited. It's going to be a very hot and humid day. Highs in the mid 80s. But look at that. On Tuesday, we're down into the low 80s, and then we don't ever go back up into the mid 80s for the rest of the week. But those rain chances are going to be what keeps us cooler, with 70% chance tomorrow, 50% Tuesday night, and then 80% on Wednesday and Wednesday night. That's as that front is coming through, and that's a strong cold front. That's our first, I guess you could call it our first fall-like cold front that'll be coming through for the season, dropping our rain chances down to only 50% on Thursday. That's mainly in the morning hours, it looks like. And then Thursday night, look at that, partly cloudy, 63. But check out Friday, a high of only 77 under sunny skies. And then look at that Friday night low, 55 degrees. And to tell you the truth, I may end up dropping that on down to 53. So that's going to be quite the chill in the air by the time we get to Friday night. And just to give you kind of a bit of a preview, it looks like right now the weekend ahead is looking great. So I'd go ahead and start playing on some outdoor stuff on Saturday. That's for sure. Highs only in the upper 70s, it looks like at this point. So if that forecast holds true, next weekend is looking top notch. And looking at our hazards, the only hazard we have to really kind of be concerned about is some heavy rainfall. Now, there could be some heavy downpours on Tuesday, but I think the more widespread threat for heavy rainfall comes on Wednesday. So we could see some pretty good precipitation out of this cold front that's coming through. Some of those downpours could put down some flash flooding, so we'll have to be mindful of that for sure. And then Thursday and Friday, we're back to looking a-okay. So the forecast is looking great, and at least once we get past all this rain on Wednesday, and it looks like, again, like the end of next week could conclude very nicely. You folks have a wonderful day, and keep looking up for even more weather information, including a look at the tropics and an area of low pressure that we're keeping an eye on in the eastern Atlantic. Just keep reading along in that blog, meteorologistmark.com.